Hey guys, this is Corey with TriStar Soles, back with another review. I think the FedEx guy tried to get in this package because it's already ripped a little bit. Let me go ahead and get this cut open, see what we have. As you see, it's double boxed. Set this down. Double boxed, and it's got this plastic over it, so if it ever rained, at least it would help protect it. Alright, these are the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Canary Yellow. Got the bubble wrap over the box also. I like it when it's packaged up like this, keep the box from getting crushed. As you can see, we got the yellow and the blue box. Get to the size. So this is a woman's release. So you got to make sure that you pick the right size when you're ordering this. That way you don't get the incorrect size. These are set to release May 17th of this year. Retail for $150. We all know that that's going to be hard to get. If you ain't got a bot or just good luck at getting the shoes, then chances are you're probably not going to land them. So I've got this second option, which is aceshoe.ru. Here's all their information, website, Instagram, and if you use the discount code Corey, it'll save you some money on your order. But let's get into this. Get the lid. Got the Nike. It says Swoosh over here. That's correct. That's how retail is. Got the pink Travis Scott paper with the white paper on the inside of that. That's correct. It's funny because when I first saw these shoes, I thought for sure that this was all going to be like tumbled leather. I didn't realize that it's actually nubuck. So I don't know if my lighting's going to pick it up, but it's got a super soft nubuck for the yellow part. And this is not actually white. This is what they're actually calling light silver. So it's not actually white. You got the racer blue backward swoosh. You got the gum bottoms. You've got the Air Jordan stitched in this shoe. That looks correct. Kind of supposed to have like a half circle here. It's not supposed to be completely flat and straight, so that's correct. Got Cactus Jack back here behind the swoosh on the inner part of the shoe. That's correct. With the yellow tongue. It says Cactus Jack there. That's correct. They come with these yellow white laces, or yellow wax laces. Sorry guys. Take this shoe tree out. That looks correct. See if I can get this insole out of here. That's the hardest part on these things, is to get these insoles out. They kind of glue them in there. So I'm a size 11. Obviously you're going to go up about a size and a half for women's releases. This is just an ortho light sole. See how good the stitching is in there. Everything looks real tight. They've got the strings taped down. That's correct. See if I can get this insole back in there. But look at this leather. Look how soft that is. That tumbled. Such a premium material right there. The toe box looks really good. If I can get this camera to focus. Stars look really good. I'm gonna grab this other shoe and look at it. As you guys know, Travis Scott shoes are usually like earth tone colors. This is actually a very off the wall for him. It's actually to give shout out to his high school. These are his high school colors, and so that's why these are so bright and out there for a Travis Scott release. You got the extra racer blue laces and the red laces. Those are correct, both wax like they should be. Got the Cactus Jack, got the Wings logo up there at the top by the toe. Got the Jumpman down there, that's correct. The stitching looks really good on this. Ace Shoe did a really good job with the stitching on this. I don't see anything out of place. The cuts, the leather are really nice and thick. They're not thin. It's just what you come to expect with a premium replica company like Ace Shoe is. You got the Sycamore smiley face stitched on the back. That looks really good. So anyway, so that's the review on these, and now I'm going to hop over and show you how to put an order in for a pair of these shoes.